I don't need a real estate attorney to sell my house or property. I have a realtor, right? Well, that's what we're talking about today, so stay with us. My name's Chuck Jackson, and I'm a Florida realtor with Florida Realty Investments, and I service the Orlando and Central Florida area. Whether you're buying or selling property or real estate, have you ever considered working with a real estate attorney? I know, you have a realtor and you're working with him and he knows all that legal stuff and everything about contracts, so why bother with a real estate attorney? Well, the short answer is so that you don't get in trouble. Since real estate transactions and contracts can be very complicated, especially in a buyer's market, having a real estate attorney on your side can be very helpful. While they won't get involved with the actual pricing, they can help negotiate the terms of the contracts, making the whole process much easier. Some think attorneys only clog up the whole process, but in reality, they are probably the only one who is completely on your side during the settlement process. You see, realtors can only negotiate based on the contract that's given. They cannot give you any legal advice, whereas a real estate attorney can. Whether you really need one or not really depends on how familiar you are with the purchase and sales process and how complicated the deal is. The goal of the seller is to get the biggest profit available. The goal of the buyer is to get the house for the least cost. The goal of everyone is to make the whole process uncomplicated and protect you against liabilities and situations that may happen after the sale. Well, hopefully by now I've piqued your curiosity. So the next question is, how can attorneys, real estate attorneys, help you? Well, for one thing, have you ever let your emotions get the best of you? Doesn't always turn out well, does it? When making one of the largest purchases in your lifetime, your real estate attorney acts as another layer to remove emotions from the deal. They can also negotiate the finer details in your contract, often overlooked. And these details can have huge impacts later in the process. Your real estate attorney can protect you from getting a bad deal should negotiations get nasty. Again, there's that emotion thing. They work with brokers to organize and finalize details and terms that you may not fully understand. Your attorney can explain all the legal ramifications of a deal and often help you negotiate a better one. They may be able to act in the same capacity as a title company. I know our in-house real estate attorney can provide both the title work and the escrow account. This makes tracking all the details of the deal easy and helps assure a smooth closing. A real estate attorney's office normally provides copies of all the necessary paperwork and documents involved in the closing. In a nutshell, they help keep the deal together, making sure nothing is overlooked or missed. And most importantly, they're there to protect you and your interests. It's important to remember, though, that the real estate attorney can't do everything. While they can prepare the contract in your favor and perform title searches and settlement work, they can't get involved in the pricing of the property. That's where a real good realtor comes in handy. Your real estate attorney can help you negotiate, but they won't talk about pricing. They can review language and refine arguments, though, which could save you money in the long run. In short, they keep you as their first priority and they work to protect your legal rights. You're going to be asked to pay a lot of money during the settlement process. There are fees for appraisals, surveys, inspections, points, down payment, and mortgage. You need to review your budget and be prepared to make some tough financial decisions. One of those decisions is whether or not you want to retain a real estate attorney. Buying and selling is a complicated business. For most people, it's the largest purchase they'll ever make. The ability to look out after your own interests and ensure you're getting what you bargained for sometimes takes more than just personal experiences or even those experiences of a realtor. Are you interested in talking with a real estate attorney in Orlando and the surrounding area? Then message me or leave a comment below. I'd be happy to give you a referral and help you out in any way I can. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We post videos frequently and you don't want to miss any of them. Until next time, be safe and have a great day.